Welcome to Magento 2 Tutorials. Today we will learn how to create a configurable product. On the admin sidebar, go to Catalog, select Products. On the Add Product, choose Configurable Product. The following steps are the same as the video. Create a simple product. If you have any questions, you could review the previous video. So to save time, we'll go through these custom steps quickly. Now, let's add the configurations for 9 simple products. Scroll down to the Configurations section, and click Create Configurations. Select the checkbox of each attribute that you want to include as a configuration. In the upper right corner, click Next. For each attribute, select the checkbox of the values that apply to the product. When finished, click Next. Each configuration has its own options. In this section, you could follow these steps or custom as you want. If you are satisfied with the configurations, click Next. The current product variations appear at the bottom of the configuration section. Scroll down and expand the Images and Videos section. Click the camera icon and browse to the main image that you want to use for the configurable product. If you are ready to publish the product in the catalog, set the Enable Product switch to Yes. Now let's check it out. In Admin Sidebar, go to Catalog, select Products. Search for Nightclub T-shirt. Do the same way with the storefront product page. As you can see, the configuration product has been created. HexaSync, connecting applications, automating processes,